Welcome to the Book Like a Boss website video series. In today's video, we're going to be covering pages. To begin, from your site overview, click on Edit Site. Once you're logged into the Book Like a Boss editor, on the left side, third down, you will see Pages. Once you click on Pages, the Pages panel will appear. Important to note that Pages is also where pop-ups would be housed in your Book Like a Boss website. Add Page will give you various options on how you can create new pages in your site. You can utilize the page builder, blank pages, pre-designed template pages, dynamic pages, which can be created from collections. You absolutely have the opportunity to add navigational folders, or what we used to refer to as drop-downs. And you have the option to link to a page URL or link off the site. So a good example of that could be if you wanted to link to another system or your Facebook page or a LinkedIn profile or something like that. In addition, there's another AI tool built right into your pages called Page Recommendations, which can help you improve your pages. In most cases, if you click and hold and drag on one of your pages, like I just did there, it's going to change the navigation. So if I take home and I pull it down to the bottom, home is now going to change to the end, and so forth. So all of your pages are very modular. To edit any of your pages, you simply click on the page and it will load the page. And if you close this panel, you can see the full page and edit accordingly. All of our pages have three dots on the right-hand side. And clicking on those three dots will provide you with all of the page settings. Your first option is to rename the page. I'll just leave that one home. Your next option is to show or hide the page from navigation. And this is a super fantastic tool. This allows you to actually hide on only certain devices the page, or you can also hide it on all. When I click on hide on all, you see that home has disappeared, and it gets this small icon indicating that this page is hidden on all devices. This is very handy when you're creating new pages and you might not be ready for them to be seen on your website. It's also important to note that adding things like pages to your website doesn't necessarily make them live until, again, you would republish your website to make those pages live. I'm going to go ahead and click Show on All and bring the home page back. If you happen to like one of the pages in your beautiful template and you just want to reuse it with different content, clicking on Duplicate gives you the option to exactly duplicate the page. So if I name this one Test 2 and hit Duplicate, Test 2 is now an exact copy of the home page. Publish page. You have the option to publish your changes page by page, and you have the option to republish your whole website. So let's talk about the differences. If you make an edit on a page and you want to just make that edit live, so if I were in here and I said, Blab is cool because Book Like a Boss is super cool, that didn't really go live on the internet. I have to either publish this page live, and we're on page test 2, so I could go here, click there, and publish that page, or I could republish the whole website. If I republish the whole website, any pending changes on any page are going to go live. So generally, the recommendation would be if you have more than one person editing the website, publishing just by page is the right option, or the preferred option. So you make an edit to the blog page, click on the three dots, publish it, and only those changes will go live. In addition, you can always edit the page URL, or slug as some call it. And then you can scroll down to see the rest of the page setting options for the test 2 page. So you can see I'm on test 2 here. So we've got my SEO title, my SEO description, the option to set it to no index, a social sharing image option on a per page basis. So we have social sharing options for the entire site. This is on a per page basis. And then finally, you have different page access options as well. So that is what is under the three dots. I'm now going to go ahead and delete that page. and deleting it removes it entirely. So that is the pages section, and how you work with pages. Depending upon what Book Like a Boss subscription you have will limit how many pages you can have.